off with our Mented, girls, what's the name of this? Our Mented Every Night eyeshadow palette. So it looks like this. This is basically like your neutral tone essential palette. It just has like a lot of neutral tone colors, so very wearable colors. I thought this palette would be perfect for a Thanksgiving look just because it's super like neutral, so it kind of goes with anything. I'm going to start off with the color Houston. So Houston is going to be my brow bone shade. I'm going to take this brush right here and we're just going to apply Houston on our brow bone. Like so. So that's Houston. Now we're going to start off with our very first crease color, which is going to be the shade Harlem. So Harlem is this brown right here. Houston as our brow bone, and then Harlem as our crease color. And I'm probably just going to add another layer of Harlem, and then of Harlem, and then that's it. So now that we have Harlem, we're going to go into our next shade, which is going to be Atlanta. So Atlanta is way more of a deeper brown. And I'm going to take this smaller brush and just kind of really focus Atlanta in my crease. Like I want this to be exactly in my crease. This is going to give it that more smoked out, defined brown look that I'm going for. And that is going to be Atlanta. And I just have this little small Morphe brush right here that I'm using for Atlanta, so you guys can see. And truthfully, this look is super easy. It's not hard at all, y'all. Like, it's such an easy look that anybody can create it. It's very beginner friendly. And I'm just doing another like layer of Atlanta. Super duper beginner friendly look. So it's not hard at all. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Brooklyn, which is basically just a matte brown. So this is Brooklyn. And I'm going to put Brooklyn in my outer corner, and that's just going to give me that smoky effect that I want. You know me, I love a smoky eye with black. I just like how it looks, how it applies. This is like so my jam. So we're just gonna go in with Brooklyn. I'm gonna do another layer of Brooklyn. I like to start off and kind of like push it, and then I like to just blend downward and then blend in circles in the corner and keep all of the smokiness right here in the corner. And that is Brooklyn, y'all. And I'll go back in with this brush that I had Harlem with and just kind of like diffuse it a little bit. So now we're gonna go in with our warm color, which is gonna be Las Vegas. It's like this burgundy type of color. It's more of a sheen. It's not really that much of a shimmer. It's like a sheen to me, but y'all gonna see what I'm gonna use on top of it as like a nice topper. I'm gonna go in with my flat brush like so. I have my flat brush, and we're gonna take our Cover FX setting spray, and we're just gonna spray it so we don't get a lot of fallout. And we're gonna literally just apply it on our lid, almost as if we were doing a cut crease, but we're not. We're gonna just apply that shadow in that type of motion. You can see how it really picks up that color so beautiful when you just wet it a little bit with setting spray. Now if you want to, you can so leave it like this, but I'm like a glam girl, so I want a little bit of drama. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now go into the Makeup by Mario Metals palette. Okay, y'all, so we're going to take the Makeup by Mario, the Metals palette. It looks like this. Mine, you can see I actually used it. And I'm going to go in with this shade right here, which is called Rose Gold. And I'm literally going to go on top of what I just did. So you guys can see I'm like literally just taking it on top of it, giving it more of like that metallic-y metal type of effect. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is like such a simple look, y'all. A simple look, but it's gonna still demand attention. I'm gonna go back in on this side and just make sure they're pretty even. Now I'm going to take that same brush that I used for the black, and I'm just going to kind of make sure everything is nice and diffused and it's even and they're meeting each other well, like so. And next we are going to just take our Makeup by Mario liner and we are just going to literally do us a straight line. Nothing fancy, just a straight line. To do lashes, I just feel like it makes everything blend really nicely, so I like to go in with this straight line. And you guys can see it looks a lot like this. I'm just gonna go back in and kind of just like diffuse it a little bit more, but this is pretty much the eye look. It's so easy, it's so easily to be achieved. It's very attainable because it's just like an easy look. I smoke at the bottom with shadow, so I just wanted to do brown, keep it pretty neutral and soft. And this is pretty much it for the eyeshadow. So I'm going to show y'all the new way that I've been doing my foundation, just so you guys can see, because I've been obsessed with this method. And we're going to put our complexion on. Alright, so I'm prepping my skin with the Smashbox Primerizer Primer. I'm applying this all over my face just to give my skin a nice hydrated effect. And now I'm just going to contour my face with the Juvia Place foundation stick. Lately, I've been doing my foundation this way and I feel like it looks super duper good. So I've been doing like a reverse basically. So I'll contour my face first like so. I'm just going to contour all over. All the places where you would normally contour is where I'm going to apply my contour. And this is cream, and now I'm going to go in with the Milk Concealer and I'm going to do all my highlighter now. So I find when I do my makeup this way, I don't use as much foundation. And then right here, you guys will see me putting on my eyelashes. This is the Lilly lashes in the style Ibiza. Tell me these lashes are not freaking gorgeous. I'm definitely going to pick up some more Ibiza. It's such a pretty lash style. It's dramatic and full, but you can still see like the eyeshadow. You guys are going to see in 1 second when I finish. But yeah, so you guys are just going to take your time and it should go on nice and easy just like that. And I'm going to pinch it just a little bit with the tweezers so you can see the falsies and my real lashes. So this is Ibiza, like I said, by Lilly Lashes. I love them. These might be my go-to lashes. These might be replacing Miami. But so far, Ibiza is so pretty. Now I'm going to go back in with the shade Atlanta, I believe. And I'm going to smoke out underneath my lash line and just give it a nice smoky effect like so. So now we're going to go in with the Nars lip pencil. I already had previously lined my lips with like a deep brown lip liner by Sephora collection. And now I'm just going to put a little gloss over this look. You know, when we meet, if I didn't do gloss, it has to be super pretty and super nice because, you know, we're going to be taking pictures or whatever on Thanksgiving. So, Mama needs her gloss. So, I'm just going to basically wet my hair like so. My hair is curly, so it's super easy to maintain. I'm just wetting it, and now I'm going to apply some clips just to see if I kind of like this style. Honestly, I ended up taking out the clips. Like, I kind of was just rushing when I did my hair, so I didn't really style it. But if you guys check out my IG, Maisha Chanel, you'll see like I typically style my hair really nice. But this was pretty plain. And then after as well, I went ahead and just cut off that extra lace. That's right there. So don't be coming for me, y'all, because I did go back and I cut off my lace, okay? And y'all can see like right here, I was just basically contemplating like if I wanted to leave the clips in my hair or not. But I did keep them in my head like so. And now we're gonna get ready to put on our outfit. So I did end up putting on a two-piece that I am gonna sell. And high fashion like Goya, G-Wagon or the Rover. I put some ice on you.